All right, D-post done. Sanded, brushed. Our spline for our 2 ties coming in both sides. We got principal joist coming in both sides. Parallel cord on all 4 sides. I like to chamfer all my corners, just keeps everything nice and clean. On site, those can break off or, anything can kind of happen. So I like to keep that nice out of the way. I even chamfer my mortise. So that gets me just a little bit of, helps locate. The same reason you chamfer your tenons. Never on an exposed face. You want them nice and tight, but, I always chamfer my mortise. All right, out the door.